discovers that I am in Connecticut and so has been sending me all the fabulous restaurants that are out here. This one is so beautiful. Just the entry. I thought yesterday was popping, but look at this one. Yeah, this is nice. Yesterday was egg cheers, and then today it's this. These are beautiful. For my outfit, I did this skirt I made maybe 2 years ago, and this top I made last year. I figured in a place so colorful, I might be colorful as well. Do not forget to make your reservation. I showed up without one, but the host was amazing. He got me a seat. I hung out at the bar until my seat was ready, and then I went over to my macrame chair, or rather my swing. But wow, this is fabulous. It's the big and little touches in this place. The placemats were gorgeous. Look at this drink menu. The water glass was fabulous. I will not comment on how handsome my server was because I am now a woman of a certain age. But he recommended this croquette. I was looking at it like, where is the food? What part of it do I eat? Am I eating the green stuff? Am I eating what's under the green stuff? But it was rocks under the green stuff. But this, chef's kiss, scrumdiddlyumptious. It was so good, but it was appetizer. So I had to order the salmon bendito and with hibiscus foam. I said hibiscus foam. Yes, it was with hibiscus foam. And I ordered this goyaba. I can't say properly. It's goyaba. So that is my coconut croquettes with my salmon bendito and my hibiscus foam on top. This was, oh my goodness. My eyes popped when I tasted it. It was so good. The coconut croquettes were really sweet, so I had to order some starch to go with this heavy sauce around the salmon. So I got some plain white rice. It was delicious and it was filling. I could not praise it enough. I don't know about you, but I don't generally like drinking while I'm eating, so when I was done, I sat back in my easy chair and I just enjoyed my guayaba. I could have stayed there all day except for guilt because other people were waiting on tables. Did I say how amazingly generous and kind the host was? He's amazing. Give him a raise. I am Gail of 876 Documents, your friendly neighborhood Jamaican document preparer, entrepreneur, so it's extraordinaire, teacher, and now self-proclaimed food critic, hanging out in Middletown, Connecticut, the trendiest new restaurant. Thanks for watching.